How to share your internet connection from Windows. Your laptop has internet and another device doesn't. Rather than hunting for a cable or a hotspot, Windows can share what it already has. There are two ways, depending on your hardware. The simple one is mobile hotspot. Open Settings, go to Network, then Mobile Hotspot. Choose which connection to share from the drop-down. Set the network name and password by clicking Edit, pick the band, and switch it on. Other devices now see your laptop as a Wi-Fi network. This works even when your laptop is itself connected by Wi-Fi, which surprises people. The second method is internet connection sharing, which is older but useful when you want to share over an Ethernet cable. Open Network Connections, right-click the adapter with Internet, open Properties, go to Sharing, and allow other users to connect through it. Remember that your battery drains faster, and a metered mobile connection disappears quickly.